Good morning, dear students. Good morning. This is online classes Maths by CSR. Already we completed one video, that is exercise 10.3 in the geometry straight lines. I solved one problem also. The remaining problems I wrote on the board, that is 6 problems are there, but you open your textbooks and see the problems. It is for my sake only. You open the textbooks and see the problems. Okay, na? One theorem is also solved yesterday class. Okay. Now you see here, reduce the equations into intercept form and find the intercepts on x-axis. The first problem is reduce the equations into slope intercept form, and again we have to find the slope and y-intercept. That is one type of problem. This is the second one. Reducing the given equations, those are the equations of straight line, into the intercept form, only intercept form, and again we have to find the intercepts. You see, observe me. Solutions. You see, it is a second problem. Given line is, what is the given line? 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. So, okay, na? Yeah. This given equation can be reduced into intercept form. Only intercept, not slope intercept form. It is already over. Y is lambda plus c is a slope intercept form. Whereas here we are asked to find, to reduce into x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Okay, na? Yeah. This is only intercept form. In order to get 1 in the RHS, we have to divide with dividing by 12. It's okay, na? That is 3x by 12 plus 2y by 12 is equal to 12 by 12. This is x by 4, 3/4. Y by 6 is equal to 1. In order to get in this form, in RHS getting 1, we have to divide with that constant only. Then only we can get the 1. Okay, na? Then here, x-intercept. What is x-intercept? That is A. It is 4. And y-intercept. What is y-intercept? B. In the place of B, 6 is there. So we reduce it into intercept form, and also we find the intercepts on axis, ax, es, plural form, the x-axis and y-axis also is there. Okay, right. Now the second problem I will solve here only. This is the first problem, the second problem. That is 14x minus 3y. Given line is 14x minus 3y is equal to 6 is there. You see that? It is not 14x, it is 4x only. I'm sorry. It is only 4x. Yeah. It is 4x minus 3y is equal to 6. Here also we divide with by 6. Why? Because in order to divide, in order to get 1 in RHS, so divide with 6 only. Okay, na? We are dividing with 6. It is 4x by 6 minus 3y by 6 is equal to 1. Similar, same method. In order to get 1 in RHS, we divide with the same constant. It is x by 6 by 4, y by 6 by minus 3 na, I am taking minus 3, denominator, denominator, 4, denominator, denominator, is equal to 1. It is x by 3 by 2 na, 2 3s, 2 2s. It is y by minus 2 na, is equal to 1. Be careful now, we have to get plus only. The formation is x by a plus y by b is there, plus only. So, in order to get plus here, this minus will come here. Plus by minus is minus, yes, correct. So, this is the formation, and x-intercept A is equal to, what is A? 3 by 2. And y-intercept is equal to B, it is a minus 2. Okay, na? Like this, we have to solve it. And one more problem is there, that is third one. You see, third one is given line is 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. Is correct? 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. It is 0 into x plus 3 into y is equal to minus 2 na. That minus 2 sent to that side. So, we have to divide with dividing by minus 2 only, minus 2. So, that is 0 x by minus 2 plus 3y by minus 2 is minus 2 by minus 2. It is 0x by minus 2 plus y by minus 2 by 3. Okay, na, is equal to 1. Okay, na? Like this. But here you see, here intercept, x-intercept is not there. Clearly, if you want to do it, it is minus 2 by 0. It is y by minus 2 by 3 is equal to 1. Okay, na? Actually, we have to do like this one. But it is meaningless. X by infinity will come. Okay, na? Here, y-intercept only is there. Y-intercept is equal to minus 2 by 3. You see, the diagram of this problem, you see, actually this is y is equal to minus 2 by 3 na. Actually, this is origin, x-axis, y-axis. Okay, na? This is minus y-axis. You see, it is like this is there. Y is equal to k means y is equal to k is a line. Y is equal to k is a line parallel to x-axis. Whereas x is equal to some k is a line parallel to y-axis. Here y is equal to some number is there, negative number. So, it is of minus 2 by 3 distance. This is this distance. It is like this. This is the line. This is the line y is equal to minus 2 by 3. Or otherwise, it is 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. This is the diagram of the line actually. Here there is no x-intercept. What is the meaning of x-intercept to y-intercept means? It cuts x-axis at some point and y-axis at some point. But here only y-intercept is there, x-intercept is not there. Okay, na? That is the problem. Okay, na? You do like this only. These are the three problems. Yes. Next, we will go to the third one. The Arabic number 3. Okay, is it clear? Yeah. Yeah. Observe. Say third problem. Reduce the equations into normal form. And also you have to find the perpendicular distance from origin, that is length of normal P. And also we have to find the angle made by the normal with the positive x-axis. You see, It is third one. It is an important problem. Please observe me. Given line is the first one. It is x minus root 3y plus 8 is equal to 0. X minus root 3y. Here we have to reduce into it is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. Okay na? That is normal form. Okay na? Normal form means the diagram is like this one. Is origin A, the B, O, say it is OD, it is small p. This is alpha. This equation is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha. Here I see x minus root 3y is equal to minus 8. First we have to do just like the second problem. Okay na? We have to set the constant to the side, minus 8. Okay na? Now we have to see, we have to maintain this not negative as a positive. So that is why we multiply on both sides with minus. Why? Because this is always a positive. It is a length. Okay na? So it is a minus x plus root 3y. So can I? First you set the constant to that side. Ax plus by plus c is there. Minus c will come. Okay na? But we have to maintain it as a positive. Why? Because this is the length, perpendicular length, p will come like this. There p is there like that. P is the perpendicular length. Length is always positive. Now divide by root of a square plus b. What is root of a square? A is a minus 1 square. B is a root 3 square. So it is root of 1 plus 3. Root 4 means 2. So we have to divide with 2 only. So it is minus x by 2 plus root 3y by 2 is equal to 8 by 2. You agree? We are dividing with 2. What is the reason we divide with root of a square plus b square means it is the one formation. Already in the theory part I told you. What is the need to divide with root of a square plus b square? Whereas in the first problem, we divide with only the constant. Why? Because in order to get RHS 1, that is that problem. But here we have to divide with root of a square plus b square only. What is the reason? We know it. In the theory part I told you, you verify there only. Here you see, it is x into minus 1 by 2 na. This is y into root 3 by 2 na. It is 4. It is in the form of x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to 4. But here also you see where cos alpha is equal to minus 1 by 2 na. Is it na? And sin alpha is equal to root 3 by 2 na. It is a negative, it is a positive. So cos is negative, sin is positive. Here is the important. Here only this type of problem is very difficult. Not difficult, I don't want to say difficult. It is a twisted problem. The students must think over here only. The cos is negative, sin is positive. All silver teacups is there. Cos is negative in the second quadrant. Is it not it? But sin is positive in the second quadrant. So here we have to find alpha is equal to 120 degrees. Will you agree? Cos 120, you just seen and observe me. Minus 1 by 2 means minus cos 60 actually. Observe me. Minus 1 by 2 means related with 60 degrees. Cos 60. But it is cos of 180 minus 60. Will agree? Cos of 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. Okay, na? Like this. So this is nothing but cos 120. So cos 120 is minus half. Instead of minus half, we write cos 120. It is y. Root 3 by 2 also none. Root 3 by 2 is sin 120 directly. Sin 120. Because sin of 180 minus 60, this is plus sin 60, means root 3 by 2. So for sin 120 also, this root 3 by 2 will come. So this is, okay na, normal form. It is in the form of x cos alpha plus y sin alpha. Okay na. It is a rough work. We have to mention while the problem is solved in the exams. You have to mention this one also. What is the reason to get minus half as cos 120? What is the reason root 3 by 2 mentioned as sin 120? All the things must be mentioned while you are writing the solution in the exams. Okay. Now you see, we are also asked to find the length of normal or perpendicular distance is asked in the question. That is p is equal to 4, and alpha is equal to 120 degrees. That is 2 pi by 3. Okay, Nana? Like this we have to mention. It is also there in the solution. Okay, na? So this is the first problem. Just observe me. Just I want to sit for some time. You see, Nana, this type of question, that is normal, reducing the given equation into the normal form. It is very important. Already asked in the previous exams. So that three problems are there, and in the example also a problem is there. While I am discussing about the normal form in the theory part, I gave some problems. You verify there. Root 3x plus y is equal to 1. Root 3x minus y is equal to 1. Minus root 3x plus y is equal to 1. Like that, 4 different problems I solved. If you go through it well, you can understand. It is somewhat different. A typical one, no doubt. I can understand. It is a typical one. We have to do like this one. Okay, Nana? Be careful. Next, we will go to the next problem. Okay, now we'll go to the next problem. See, the next is second one. In the third Arabic number, second problem is y minus 2 is equal to 0. Y minus 2. It is y minus 2 is equal to 0. You see, y is equal to 2 now. It is 0 into x plus 1 into y is equal to 2 now. Here a is equal to 0, b is equal to 1. Root of a square plus b square is equal to root of 0 square plus 1 square is equal to root 1 is equal to 1 volt. So no need to divide. Just we are writing this one. So dividing by 1 volt. That is 0x plus 1y is equal to 2 only. Okay, na? That is x into, what is 0? Cos 90. Y into, what is 1? Sin 90. Okay, na? Is equal to 2 only. Will agree, Nana? We have to write here also, try to understand it. This 0 is nothing but in terms of cos 90. Cos 90 is 0. Whereas the same angle, we have to mention the same angle 90. But in terms of sin. Because the formation is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. I have to reduce into that formation. That is called as a normal form. So this 0 is cos 90, this one is sin 90. Don't write here sin, here cos. The formation is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha only. Be careful. Okay, Rena? So this is a normal form. Yes, okay. Here, length of perpendicular distance are normal. You write normal. Length of normal. That is equal to P is equal to 2. And angle. That angle made by the normal with the positive x-axis. Alpha is equal to how much? 90 degrees. That means pi by 2. Is over? It is very simply asked. Okay, na? Yeah. Next, third one. That is given is x minus y is equal to 4. X minus y is equal to 4. Here 1x plus minus 1y is equal to 4. A is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1. So root of a square plus b square is equal to root of 1 square plus minus 1 square is root 2. 1 plus 1. It's okay, na? So we have to divide with dividing by root 2. So okay, na? So it is 1 by root 2x minus 1 by root 2y is equal to 4 by root 2. We are dividing with root of a square plus b square. This is x of 1 by root 2 very clearly. It is y of minus 1 by root 2 is equal to 2 into root 2 into root 2. You write like this only, by root 2. Okay, na? Observe me. This 4 is 2 into 2, na? Here also 2 into root 2 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. 2 2 is 4. Yes, correct. 1 root 2 cancels. So here we get, you see, x cos, you see, here cos alpha is equal to 1 by root 2. Again sin alpha is equal to minus 1 by 2. This is a positive, this is a negative. Please observe it. Here cos is x cos alpha, that formation. Cos alpha is 1 by root 2 is positive. Sin alpha is equal to 1 by minus 1 by root 2 negative. Cos positive, sin negative. When it is possible, cos positive, sin negative. When it is possible, not in third quadrant, it is in the fourth quadrant. Alpha must lie in the fourth quadrant. So therefore alpha is, what is alpha? You see, it is 1 by root 2. You see, 15. 315 degrees. 360 minus 45. 360 minus 45. Okay, na? That is 315. 360 minus 45 means in the fourth quadrant cos is a positive. Whereas in for sin it is a negative. I will write it very clear. You see, you verify, you observe me. Cos 315 means it is cos of 360 minus 45. Okay, na? Observe. That is 360 minus 45. It is positive cos 45. That is plus 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 means cos alpha. Cos alpha means cos 315, fourth quadrant angle. Whereas sin 315, you see, it is a sin of 360 minus 45. It is minus sin 45 will come. Why? Because in the fourth quadrant, all silver tea cups is there. Cups, all silver tea cups. Sin is a negative, cos is a positive. Be careful. Okay, na? So this one can be written as, observe me, it is x cos 315 degrees. It is y sin 315 degrees is 2 root 2. Please observe me, Nana. Okay, na? It is 2 root 2. 1 root 2, 1 root 2 cancels, we get 2 root 2 is the P. Okay, na? Observe. So, here alpha is equal to 315. Yes, okay, what is P? The length is 2 root 2, length of normal. Okay, na? This is a normal form. Okay, na? Very nice problems. Please understand it, Nana. Okay, na? These are the things. Yeah. Okay, na? Is it okay? Yeah. Next, we are going to solve the next problem. Observe. That is the fourth one. Find the distance of the point minus 1 comma 1 from the line. It's a beautiful problem. Given line is, it is 12 of x minus 6 is equal to 5 of y minus 2 is equal to 0. You see, it is 12x minus, it is 72 na, is equal to 5y minus 10. It is 12x minus 5y minus 72 plus 10 is equal to 0 na. 12x minus 5y minus 62 is equal to. So, the line is now it is 12x minus 5y minus 62 is equal to 0. Okay, na? Right. Now, given point is, the point is capital P is equal to minus 1 comma 1. The given point. I have to find like this, the perpendicular distance. It is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 na. It is x1 comma y1. You remember it, formula is there. The perpendicular distance from a given point on a given line is, it is a modulus ax1 by1 plus c by, it is root of a square plus b square. A beautiful theorem is there, formula is there. Remember it. ax1. For x and y, you substitute x1, y1. ax1, by1 plus c. A, b, c are the coefficients as it is. By root of a square plus b square. Here also, it is x1, y1. Now, perpendicular distance. Okay, na? We are asked to find the distance of the point from the line. Perpendicular distance. The root of that formula is there. The 12 into, instead of x we write minus 1, minus 5 of, instead of y we will write 1 minus 62 by root of, it is 12 square minus 5 whole square. It is minus 12 minus 5 minus 62 by, it is root 144, it is 25. Okay, na? You see there, it is minus 12. You see there, minus 12, minus 5, minus 62. Everything is minus. How much? It is 9, 79. Yeah, 79 is there. It is 9, 79. So here it is minus 79 by, it is 13. Root 144 plus 25, root 169. Root 169 is nothing but root 169 means it is 13. Okay, Nana? So, here you see one more thing. It is a modulus. Modulus means the perpendicular distance, length, distance, area, all are always positive. So, it is plus 79 by 30. Okay, na? Like that we have to find.